Hi, this is Kevin with KGM Jam, owner of ProAdvertisersClub, a totally free site to advertise. Go to ProAdvertisersClub.com and join for free today and start advertising for free. Okay, we're going to open up the 4 chests I get for being a silver or silver 1 actually. Now I'm stuck in silver 1 until I get 100,000 power points. I'm 25,000 short. The best way for me to probably do this now is to go rent something, because I do have a possibility to be gold 1 for the end of the season, which will, I think, give me over 20 chests, either 22 or 23. I'm going to show you 2 right here. I got the percentage of each chest, so I can show you the difference of being bronze, silver, and gold. It's huge, absolutely huge. So let's go ahead and do the rewards and the pack opening. And today's quest was Death Quest, which is my favorite and most powerful deck. So it was a nice, easy day as far as Splinterlands goes in battle. And yep, there's the 4 chests. Okay, let's go ahead and open them up. Now, before I open them, let me show you this real quick. Loot chest value indicator. Here's percentage. I'm silver 1, as you can see right here. 25% chance it's going to be a potion. Well, 24.25. 25 it's going to be DEC. 50% is going to be a card. But once you hit silver, you start getting a chance to get a pack. So I've got almost 1% chance of getting a pack of Chaos Legion. There's potion. One dark. Wow, that's can't get any worse than that. Here, potion, a nice card. That's a very powerful low mana card. So 1 gold, 1 legendary card, and dark energy crystal. So that's it for today for the rewards. Now at the end of the season, you get, right now I'd get 18 of them. So let's go to the pack and open that up. And why don't I have, I don't have any. Okay, hold on. Okay, that's more like it. I forgot yesterday after I made the video to go ahead and purchase my 2 packs. I put in $10 every other day. And, but so I missed out on free SPS because of that. That's why I do it a day early, but I'm still on schedule. I was supposed, today's the, drop-in day. So I've got my 2 post packs for the next 2 days, and I've got my 10 potions each. Now, 5 cards per pack, 1 potion per card. So I'm going to use 10 potions total, 5 and 5. And that's 1 for legendary and 1 for gold. You don't have to have potions to open up packs. It doubles your chance, though, for legendary or gold. Now, you're guaranteed a rare or better. So common, 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 common. Okay, there's my rare or better. Yesterday, I had 3. I think 1 epic and 2 rare or something like that. Pretty good pack. But now these can all still be gold, but this one's going to be my rare or better. So let's do the commons first. And that's a good one. Okay, so there's my 4 commons, no gold. What I'm going to do with these cards is combine them and burn them to make more powerful cards and rare and more valuable. And here's going to be my rare or better. And that is a Celestial Harpy. So, okay, not the best of packs today, but the markets are really down. They've just collapsed over the last 48 hours. And I'll show you on my paperwork. But so going back to this real quick, this is why you want to get out of bronze. While you're in bronze, you get potions or credits. Bronze 3, bronze 2, bronze 1. And then only 30% for a card at the height, 10%. So mostly you're just getting credits, maybe a potion. The silver 3 things really get a lot better. And then you got gold. Look at gold here. You're talking almost 2% chance for a pack. the DEC and the potions, but the reward's a lot higher, especially on the DEC than diamond. And then the best one you can get, it's where 3% of all chests will be a pack, and you're going to be opening like 12, 12 chests a day. So down, if we go down further, here's the chance to get like the gold cards. Okay, it's only less than 1% chance. And then DEC, you can get, now that's the regular value, or gold value, that's going to be like $20, I think. It's kind of hard to read here. I don't know exactly, but anyway, you can come here to Splinter Cards, and it's got this loot chest value calculator. And here's it's got the pack value, loot chest value, set value, missing box, SPS airdrop. It's got all these tools. This is absolutely a must go to site for anybody who's playing Splinterlands. So what I'm going to talk about, I'm trying to keep these videos under 10 minutes. So let's go look at my numbers. This is Splinterlands at 10,000. This is not sponsored by Splinterlands. It's just something I'm doing on my own. I am not a financial advisor. This is my own risk. This is for entertainment purposes only. I'm going to try to get to a $10,000 asset value by the beginning of next year. And it started off real good when I first joined in the beginning of January. And then the markets just plummeted on everything, crypto, stock market, the just NFTs, everything. So I am caught up in that. But here's why I'm still very excited to the fact that I can still reach my goal. Now, the goal is to get to that asset value after paying myself back for the $10 a day that I'm putting in, excuse me, every other day. So right now, I put in the $10. I was going to put it in yesterday, but I already calculated it. I'm at $624 out of pocket investment. And that's just because I want to buy the packs. I don't need to be doing that to do the video. I don't need to be doing that to get to my 10,000 level. And actually, if I hadn't done it, I'd be a lot better off right now, because I really haven't pulled anything great out of the packs yet. I will eventually, just because of the odds. But so that would make my numbers look a lot better. But so I'm going to end up spending about $1,500 over the year. And so, and here's where I started mid-February, or February 7th when I started recording the video. And you got the value of my set, the number of cards, the PowerPoints, SPS drop, which is free right now, and my total profit. And when I was back then, the prices were still coming down. I had just a $730 value, but my profit was $410, but I had put a lot less money into it too. So everything's relevant, right? So I'll go down kind of slow. You can pause and look at my numbers. I'm trying to keep this as transparent as possible. And when we get to the day, I still got an asset value of $700, and that's with the cards at an all-time low. If you were going to get in, this is the time to do it. The cheapest NFT cards now are 2 cents a piece. Absolutely, and I'll show you a little bit about that later. So I got 121 cards. This is before the pack opening, with a box of 1454, and I've sold a lot of cards. But here's the important number. Even though these have all gone down, my power ranking has gone up, 85/48. So that means when the prices do come back up, it's going to be like a springboard. It's going to magnify my gains, because while it's going down, I'm going up in this category. This is a snapshot. Now, I was higher at one point. My all-time high, I think, is 88,618 is my all-time high. And then I sold off a lot of powerful cards to get a gold summoner. I wanted to get a gold summoner for my death deck. And the reason I like gold is because you get 10% bonus for each gold card that you use in battle. And the prices are so cheap right now. And a summoner card is a gatekeeper. You have to have it. And you have to promote the summoners. Otherwise, you can't bring in more powerful monsters. So If all you're doing is investing, maybe not so much of a big deal. But if you're battling, you need a high level summoner, and that should be your priority. And gold's the best you can get, and it gives you that 10% bonus for just the summoner. It's 10% per gold. Like today, I did a battle where 6 of my 7 cards were gold. I got a 60% bonus on my DEC. So if I won, if I won 1 DEC, I got 1.7 DEC. That's how that works. So over the life of my career here in Splinterlands, them gold cards are going to pay for themselves because of that bonus. It's like you're getting 10% interest on that card per battle, not per day or per month or per year, per battle. And you can battle all day long because of the 10% bonus. Okay, so $65 in free SPS Splinterlands Shard. This has also gone down. It was at a quarter when I joined. It's now at 10 cents, all-time high of 80 cents. So once that magnifies, that's going to explode. But even as bad as things are in the markets, I would still pay myself back and walk away with $142 profit before taxes in my pocket. That's absolutely incredible. So I'm very excited on, even as bad as things are, how it's going. All right. So if you get a chance, go sign up on Twitch for Splinterlands, the official streaming. We exploded from 500 followers to 2.6 thousand followers. And all it is it's going to be a 24/7 streaming channel. They're bringing in streamers from all over the world who love and have a passion for this game, and you can learn a lot of stuff. And they save everything that from the previous ones, but they're not filled out yet, so it's not all day long. Right now, it's just spotted. And you go to the schedule right down here, and that will show you the schedule. So go check that out. Sign up. Excuse me. So I'm going to talk about just one thing each day instead of doing the whole, excuse me, the whole platform, and trying to keep the video under, I think I'm over 10 minutes already. But yesterday, I think I talked about the DEC. So I'm going to talk about the affiliate program. This is one way that you can build and I'm about to do a massive promotion on all my sites. But when you join, you get a URL with your ID embedded into it. And then you can sign people up if they click on that link. And if they ever buy the spell book, you get 5% of that, and you get 5% of all the packs they buy. So if you ever get a deep pocket person that likes to buy thousands of dollars worth of packs, you have got it made, because you get paid in credits. And if you start signing people up and they don't do anything, don't worry. I'm an affiliate marketer, and when you sign people up and they don't do anything, that's fine, but you're collecting them. And if they ever do wake up, they're called sleepers. You all of a sudden you just have this person wake up 6 months later. You don't know why. Maybe he forgot they joined, or she forgot they joined, and they just decided that it's a Sunday morning, they got nothing to do, and they say, "Oh, I got Splinterlands," and start playing. So that is one way that you can build your. And I'm frozen. No, there we go. So with the affiliate program, you can take that URL and mail it to friends and family. You can go to a site like mine, ProAdvertisersClub, and advertise it. I would recommend sticking to free advertising, because you don't want to be spending money on advertising like on Google. It can get very expensive with no results. You're not guaranteed results. And I have found that I got just as good results on percentage wise on free advertising as I do on paid, because just because you paid for the advertising don't guarantee anything, except the differences on paid. They came to you. On free, you just threw it out there, and hopefully it lands on somebody that wants to participate in it. So anyway, every day I'm doing a video. I do the rewards. and then I open up a pack, and then I'll talk a little bit about the site. If you got any questions or answers, please leave it on the comments, and I'll get back to you. And thank you for watching, and have a nice day.